Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is this special look which I'm going to create for you guys, and I'm so excited because it is such a special look and you can create it for all the celebrations that are going to come up this year. So yeah, I am really excited to create this look. So if you want to know how I created this look, just keep on watching. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and do subscribe here. Then only it will motivate me to create more of these looks videos and reviews videos for you guys. So go ahead and subscribe now. So before you start any look, you need a clean canvas. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this wet wipe. This is the Johnson's baby wipe. This is the perfect for any skin. So I'm just gonna take this and just clean my face. So now that my face is all cleaned up, now I'm gonna just take my Etude House Glow On Hydra base. This is how it looks. It is a primer and a moisturizer total in one. So I'm gonna use this as my base for moisturization as well as prime, and just take 2 pumps right here. I'm just gonna massage it all over my face. So now that I have moisturized my face very nicely, I'm gonna take my Color Bar primer and I'm gonna just prime my face with it, and I'm just gonna take a very pea amount, not even pea, like a very small amount of it, and I'm just gonna put that to my T-zone and especially onto my pores. My face is nicely primed now. I'm gonna start with my eyes first, and for the base I'm gonna take my Inglot concealer palette. This is what I have made. These are 4 different shades of concealers that I created, and this is the palette. And I'm gonna take the lightest shade and start applying that onto my lids. I have concealed my eyelids and my entire face is looking weird, but just the process, trust the process, I'm just gonna take the translucent powder and set everything out, and for that I am taking the Kryolan translucent powder. This is from my kit, actually bridal kit, and I really trust this product and I love this product actually. So I'm just gonna take this a little bit and I'm just gonna set everything out. So just slightly dabbing the powder all over my eyelid. So I have created this part of my eyes, I'm gonna start creating this and I'm gonna show you how I did this. So the first palette that I'm gonna take to create this look is Makeup Revolution Tammy X palette. This is the palette that I'm gonna take and do my makeup with, and I'm gonna take this shade and I'm just gonna start building up this shade from the corner of my eyes towards the middle of my eyes. I'm slowly depositing the color so that everything looks very evenly, nicely blended and evenly blended. The next shade I'm gonna take is this pink shade from the palette, and I'm gonna just put that on top of the violet shade that I have just used, and then I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna use a more fluffy brush to blend everything together. Now the next palette that I'm gonna take is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just gonna take the lightest shade from the palette and I'm just gonna apply it from the inner corner of my eyes towards the area that I have left blank. For that I'm gonna take a very precise brush like this, and I'm just gonna apply the shade. I'm gonna take my fluffy brush again and I'm just gonna blend everything together. It's now time to add some glitters to this eyeshadow, and for that I need a base, right, to stick the glitters on. And for that I am gonna use the Inglot eyeshadow eye makeup base, and I'm just gonna take this into a little bit onto my palette, and with the help of a flat brush I'm just gonna take the base and I'm gonna apply it onto the area where I want the glitters to be in place. Then for the glitters, I have here the Krylon polyester glitter. This is in the shade medium pearl white. I'm gonna directly apply with the same brush onto the area that I have applied the eyeshadow base. Look at that. Oh my god. Now that the glitters are in place, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a line of gel eyeliner and I'm gonna create that beautiful wing. Now that my eyeliners are in place, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a coat of mascara. But before that, I have to just curl my lashes. Guys, for mascara today, I have the Kiko Milano Luxurious Lashes. And let's see how it works and this is the first time I'm gonna use this. Let's see what I think about this mascara. So let's just put that. Just separating the lashes, I think this one is better for the lower lashes, you know. It's just not doing so much difference. So my mascara part is done. I'm gonna come back with the lashes on. So now my lashes are also done. I am gonna start my complexion and I need some extra hydration because my skin is super dry and I did remove the glitters from my under eye area. So for that, I'm gonna use the MAC Prep and Prime Plus and just gonna take that and spray it all over my face. Next, I have to conceal all that dark area of my face like the pigmentation and all, and for that I'm using the LA Girl Orange Concealer, which will help me hide out all of that darkness from my face. I'm just gonna take that onto my brush and I'm gonna start applying this to the areas where I have pigmentation, dark circles, etc. Then with the help of my beauty blender, I'm gonna blend everything out. Now after this, I have to neutralize my orange shade because otherwise orange will pop out from the foundation itself. For that, I have to use a shade of concealer, and for that I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm gonna use the warm beige color. After that, it's time to use the foundation so that my whole face look one color, you know, not the patches of different kind of shades. And for that, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty foundation. This is in the shade Butter Pecan 330N. I'm going to take a little bit and I'm gonna put that all over my face. And with the help of my beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend everything out. Foundation is in place and everything is all set. I'm gonna set it more with the help of my MAC Studio Fix powder. This is in the shade NC41. So I'm just gonna take this. I'm in love with this powder. This is perfect powder to just, you know, set everything up, and it just makes the day more better, you know, especially on the areas where I have creases, like, you know, here, side of the nose and under my eyes. So this is the area that I crease a lot, so I'm just gonna secure these places. And because I have used Huda Beauty, which is super dry foundation, I'm not gonna use a lot of powder to the rest of my face because I don't want to look like a, you know, dry ball of fur. Dry ball of fur? I'm gonna start contouring my face with the nude sticks. This is all over my face color. This is the one. It comes with one side of brush and the other side of color. So we are gonna use the color today. And I'm just gonna apply this here. Not gonna use too much. And I'm gonna just apply it here a little bit on the side of my nose. Now I'm not gonna use the same brush of it. I'm just gonna use my brush to just, you know, put that all over my face. Pretty, right? Now I'm gonna use the Nude Sticks blush color. This is in the shade Poppy Girl. So just gonna take this, put this here. I'm gonna smile and put it. So with the same brush, I'm just gonna, you know, blend this. Then I'm going to use the Nude Stick Magnetic Nude Glimmers. This is the highlighter that I'm going to use today. And just going to take this, put this like this. And with the same brush, I'm just going to blend this. Alright, after this it's time to put the drop shadow, and for that I'm again using my Tammy X Makeup Revolution palette. I'm just gonna take a tapered brush like this, gonna add the violet shade. Then I'm gonna take the pink shade from the palette and add that here just to create that depth. So I feel like I need a little bit more highlighter onto my life, and for that I'm using the Forever 52 Duo highlighter. This is in the shade 001. I'm just gonna take the gold shade out of it and just gonna highlight my face even a little bit more. So just adding the highlighter onto the corner of my eyes. And after this, I'm gonna finish off my lower eyelashes with a coat of mascara. Now that I have my entire face ready, I'm gonna spray the finishing mist. Just the lips part is pending, which I'm gonna do a little bit later. But first, the finishing mist, and for that, I'm using the Color Bar finishing mist. Stay the day finishing mist. Just gonna, do like this and spray it. For lips, I'm gonna make it very nude and very classy today, and for that I have the creamy nude shade from the Color Bar lip liner pencil. Just gonna, oh my god, this is so tight. Okay, so just gonna take this, and I think I broke the tip. Anyways, gonna take this and I'm gonna line my lips with it. I always like to fill up my lips with the same lip pencil so that my lipstick stays for long. After this, I'm gonna take my favorite Nykaa lipstick. This is in the shade 50M. This is, I believe, from the range, this is the mini lipsticks, and this is from the range So Matte, I think. I'm gonna put everything on the description box below so that you can check it out. So I'm just gonna take this and apply this. And for the gloss, because nobody liked chapped and dry lips, right? Lakme Absolute Spotlight Lip Gloss. This is in the shade, let me just find out the shade. The shade is Cream Caramel. Alright, I'm gonna take that onto my palette a little bit. And I'm just gonna apply this with the help of a lip pencil. No, sorry, lip brush. Okay. So yeah guys, that's all about the look for today, and if you like the look, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for me to create more such looks for you guys. And yeah, that's all about it. I'm in love with this look, by the way. This is so pretty and so natural at the same time. And yeah, if you also like to follow me on all of my social media handles, please do that. I'm gonna put all the links in the description box for you guys to see. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.